got something new coming on the channel. Got RC cars. I watched my little brother the other day. He's like, dude, check this RC car out. Check that RC car out. I was like, you know what? Kids seem to like RC cars, so getting a little different audience here, and a lot of adults like RC cars too. My wife got one. It's on a 1 to 24 scale, and mine's on a 1 to 10 scale. Bought them both on Amazon. Little one showing you what she got for Christmas. She loves hers. No idea what scale that is. It's a itty bitty sucker. They're both 4-wheel drive. Wife's has headlights on it and tail lights, and this one here has rear wheel steering, regular wheel steering from crab walk. So this is the unboxing part. Let's see what's inside the box. Trying to figure out how to open the thing.
This is where it's crazy. And you got to scratch to what?
Locked in with 2 little batteries.
Wheels.
Oh wow.
It's a bounce. But my dog, because it could get me to
There's the wife's. Nice squishy tires on it. I never had one of these expensive suckers. Usually you get like $20 deals. This one here was $100 and mine was $115. That's big money to us on an RC car, right? I got a $500 Jeep in the backyard, full size I can actually drive. And that's big money. I mean, for a toy. So, that there's pretty neat.
And the guy
Got
has a tire that's Paul.
some nice suspension on it. I can't wait to get this bad boy charged up and figure out. Oh, it has a real rubber. It ain't just a plastic spare tire. It's a real deal. I don't know if you can take that off and actually switch it out with one of the other tires or not. That's pretty neat. Alright, let's see what's in the other box. Well, I don't know a fancy controller from a bad controller, right? But there's the wipes from anyone that knows RC cars. You tell me if we done get it or not, because I honestly ain't got a clue.
And make sure you subscribe to us.
Little one says subscribe now.
Oh, and my headlights.
Yeah, your headlights like too, don't they?
Get dark. Turn this on and drive in dark and even come on.
Tell them all about it, ain't you?
And these are the tires. They go straight. And that's why Swiss
How
is.
are you sitting here, though?
Ow.
Oh, that hit you? I'm sorry.
No, this.
Oh, you got yourself. There you go.
Yeah, and these are stuff.
That's a big dude, isn't it?
Yeah, I got people inside.
You got people inside. Easy. Oh my goodness.
People walk. This dude is driving.
That dude's driving, that's right. Alright.
Hello, Skyboys.
Come on, Mr. Tire.
It will bounces. Look, bounce, bounce. Look, bounce, bounce. It bounces. But it's sort of mine. It's sort of mine. Mommy, put this one like
Whoa, shit.
it's a monster truck one.
Yeah. Alright. So my wife's cheaper jobby came with 2 batteries, charger. It even came with batteries for the remote. That's pretty cool. Mine came with 1 battery and a charger. And it looks like a couple of, I don't know what these clips go to. I'm gonna call them spare parts. Bring them over and show you, cause maybe you know, but I don't.
I do.
Oh yeah, what are they?
Clippies.
Clippies. Oh, you're funny. So,
And my
Oh, I guess that's some sort of tool. Now these here, the clips, I don't know. Spare parts is something.
Mommy.
Said if you know, please let me know.
Yours.
And
Mine
then
go next to Daddy's.
you got several of those. Not too sure what those are either. So drop that down in the comments. And
I think this one just good as snow, I think.
another difference is my wife's has one singular motor somewhere in here. I haven't took it apart yet. You see me take it out of the box, alright? It actually has drive shafts going down to the axles there. I prefer that over what I got. I knew it was like this, but I was like, you know what? I really like the thing. I really wanted one with rear steer. I've never played with rear steer before. That's kind of the main reason I got this, not gonna lie. But it actually has the motors on the axles. I'm not a big fan of that, but I didn't want to. Yeah, I could have got one that had all-wheel steer and one motor, but it's $500. I mentioned I got a $500 Jeep in the backyard. Why? I just can't see you spending that kind of money right now. Especially if this blows up, I might buy some nicer ones. Or if not, then I'm glad I bought cheap ones. Actually, I felt air coming out of that thing. That's pretty neat. Oh, she's already taking hers apart. Oh, that fender has no frame to it, or to the body of it anyway. So, you gotta watch out on that one.
But mine doesn't come apart.
Oh, yeah.
Mine doesn't come apart. Why?
Pretty neat. Alright, my little girl wants me to tell you about her little Jeep. Alright. Now, she got this on Christmas. It's got the hard rubber tires. Ain't got no flex. And it's only 2-wheel drive. But it does have working headlights, which is pretty neat. And for a kid's little remote control car, it just zips around pretty good. And it's her first remote control car. She actually likes it. So we got 3 of us with these, and my little brother, he's got a nice one too. He's wanting to play with us sometime as well. So
Yep.
can't wait for it to warm up and get the snow out of here. We're not taking in the snow. Who knows? Anyway,
Yeah.
that's it for this one. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Subscribe, because this is going to start a new RC part. What?
To us.
That's right. Subscribe to us, she says. I'm trying the RC car thing out. To a lot of people in your off-road world like this kind of stuff as well. So just helps bring in more people and different stuff for the channel here. Trying to keep a little variety with all, but in the same boat. Yeah, words are tough, alright?